Julius Malema has won his defamation case against Ngizwe Mkhunu, which, yeah, it was bound to happen because Ngizwe talks crazy. Like, I just have to admit it. Like, he just talks like he's falling from a building or something. Like, because the things that he says about people, man, I'm just wondering. You remember the other time he was saying that Papa Pain Unuki Kwapa? Like, I'm like, really, Ngizwe? Like, man, I just have to read you the things that he said because I couldn't actually find the video of him saying that, which would have been interesting. But anyways, here are the court papers where he actually said what he said. This is what Ngizwe Mkhunu said. This is translated from isiZulu, and I quote, "I won't speak about a dead snake. Julius Malema is like a dead snake, something that won't wake up. He must go to jail. He lost an opportunity that he deserved, that in our generation he could have changed how the country is governed, but he got drunk with power and he hated the Zulu nation, and then he took money from On Point Engineering. He looted VBS and finished it, and then went to Ekurhuleni and finished it off. Now he is eating money with illegal foreigners. He's getting $60 million from illegal foreigners. This Julius Malema. In the legal sense, you can't just say whatever you want about a person, especially if it's lies. If maybe he said something truthful about Julius Malema, no matter how offensive it would have been, it wouldn't be defamation. It would just be a fact. So Ngizwe Mkhunu is the type of person to just talk. He just talks whatever is on his mind, which is a good thing. But in legal terms, yeah, you will get sued. And Julius Malema is doing that. So now Ngizwe Mkhunu, most probably he needs to apologize, because usually when it comes to these cases, all he needs to do is come out and say, no, things that I said were not true. Julius Malema didn't loot VBS. He didn't take 60 million from Nigerians, you know, that kind of thing. So it's pretty simple. But I'm just wondering if Ngizwe Mkhunu will have that kind of, you know, humility. Will he actually come down? Because at the end of the day, what I've noticed about this man is that he's very proudful, or very proud. So it's gonna be very hard for him to actually come up with an apology. If he doesn't come up with an apology, he might face jail time or actually have to pay out some money to Julius Malema, which I don't think he has a lot of money, because even right now he's seeking out donations so they can rebuild the house that was burned. So yeah, man, at the end of the day, he just needs to be humble and make sure that he actually apologizes to Julius Malema, because yeah, man, none of those things are factual, man. He didn't even have to say all of those things. All he